tayo mamimitas ng bitter melon, mga mare.
Wow, that is a bitter melon.
Yes, this is a bitter melon.
How does it taste like?
Bitter. Yeah. Tastes bitter.
Bitter melon?
Yes.
Bitter plus
Okay,
melon?
let's get that thing, the eggplant.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, lalaki ng talong ah.
Ay, tatlo na, di ba?
Oo.
Oh, laki nito. Isa. Two. And the last one is, yes, eggplant.
Laki niya na.
So,
Jumbo.
eggplanty, eggplanty. Eggplant. Eggplant.
Come. Look at daddy. This is what we got. Look at daddy. Look at the camera. Turn around. Look at daddy.
Okay, that's it. Put together.
Yeah, put it here now.
Laki ah.
More.
Oh, yeah. Those are next batch again.
That's big.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we have 4
Oh,
more.
diba? Pangalawang harvest na yan.
Yeah.
You
Yan
gotta
ang aming na-harvest,
you gotta
mga
get
mare.
stuck
This
there.
time, ang laki-laki nito, oh. Mga dalawang dangkal.